Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your background on Wix in just a few quick steps. I'll be working on the web version of the editor. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click the Edit Site button. This opens the Wix editor, where you'll see your website's current page loaded on the canvas. If you need to work on a different page, you can select it from the drop-down at the top. Next, look at the left sidebar of the editor and click Site Design. This opens the Site Design panel on the right side of your screen, showing all your global design options. In the Site Design panel, click Page Background. The Page Background Settings panel opens up, displaying options for color, image, and video at the top. We're going to change the background to a solid color. Click the Color tab at the top of the panel. You'll see a color picker with your site's theme colors displayed. To select one of these preset colors, just click on it and watch the page background update instantly in the editor behind the panel. If you want a custom color instead, scroll down to the section labeled My Colors and click to open the color picker there. You can drag the sliders or enter a specific color code to get exactly the shade you want. Again, the background updates in real time as you adjust it. Once you've got your color selected, you have the option to apply it to other pages. At the bottom of the Page Background panel, click Apply to Other Pages. A menu pops up showing all your site's pages. Select which pages you want this background on, then confirm. This saves you from having to repeat the process on each page individually. After you've customized everything the way you want it, the changes are saved automatically in the editor. But remember, they're only saved in draft mode at this point. To make them visible to your site visitors, you need to publish. Click the Publish button at the top right of the editor. Quick tip: if you want different backgrounds for mobile versus desktop, switch to Mobile View using the toggle at the top of the editor. Then click Background on the left sidebar, and you can customize the mobile background separately without affecting your desktop layout. Also worth knowing, you can choose image or video backgrounds using the same process. Just select those tabs instead of color in the Page Background panel. And that's how to change your background on Wix. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.